Good day, I'm Cody Ann Barrett and welcome to Frontline Business. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, CIBC, intends on reducing its footprint throughout the Caribbean following a proposed initial public offering by First Caribbean International Bank Limited, FCIB, to publicly float shares currently held by a subsidiary of CIBC on the U.S. stock market. In a press release on March 23, FCIB stated that it had filed a registration statement on Form F-1 with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission relating to the proposed initial public offering of FCIB's common shares in the United States. The number of shares to be offered and the price range for the proposed offering have not yet been disclosed. However, initial estimates suggest that FCIB could list 20% of its 1.4 billion common shares on NYSE. Currently, FCIB's common shares are listed and traded on the Barbados Stock Exchange (BSE) under the symbol FCI. The bank said it intends to maintain listing in Barbados on the international securities market of the BSE in addition to the proposed NYSE listing. Barclays Capital Inc., UBS Securities LLC, and CIBC Capital Markets are acting as joint book runners for the offering. Kingston Live Entertainment KLE Group managed to maintain profitability for its financial year ended December 2017 following years of losses, which were cut short by a one-off gain through the sale of shareholding in subsidiary company FranJam to shareholder Joseph Bogdanovich in 2016. The company posted net profit of $8.9 million, 94.5% lower than the profit it made in 2016, but still a good year for the company compared to losses of $36 million in 2015. In 2016, KLE Group, which operates tracks and records in Marketplace Kingston, gave up 51% shareholding in a debt-for-equity swap, which allowed the company to focus more resources on the local restaurant and the development of franchised stores. The transaction resulted in a one-off gain of $163.7 million on KLE's financial report. Improvement in the company's bottom line for the year ended December 2017 was led by growth in revenues, which moved up roughly 10% in 2017 to total $215.4 million compared to 2016 and 23.6% over 2015's revenue. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 236 points to close at 303,948. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 46 stocks, of which 18 advanced, 21 declined, and 7 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 10 points to close at 2,966. Among the winners were AMG Packaging and Paper, Cargo Handlers, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Producers, and Carreras Limited. Stocks declined for Berger Paints, Fosrich Company, Grace Kennedy, G-West Corporation, and Jamaica Producers. Stocks traded firm for Caribbean Cream, JMMB Group, Key Insurance, Proven 8.5, and Proven Investments. Lasco Distributors was the volume leader with 793,017 units, followed by Victoria Mutual Investments Limited ordinary shares with 771,188 units and Proven Investments Limited with 510,900 units. On the foreign exchange market, $125.60 is the average selling rate for the American currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $98.02, while it's costing $174.93 for the pound sterling and $157.58 for the euro. News in oil. Oil prices settled slightly lower on Wednesday, as a surprise draw in U.S. crude stockpiles triggered a rebound from session lows hit after China proposed a broad range of tariffs on U.S. exports that fed fears of a trade war. Both Brent and U.S. crude slid to two-week lows after China, the world's largest importer of raw materials, hit back at the Trump administration's plan to levy tariffs on $50 billion of its goods, proposing duties on a broad range of U.S. imports. Brent crude futures lost just 10 cents to settle at $68.02 a barrel, a 0.15% loss. U.S. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures fell 14 cents to settle at $63.37 a barrel, off 0.22%. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Regional stories are next after the break.